Welcome, this is Master Prophet Noel teaching you the science of prophecy. In this course, you will learn the many methods used to tap into the spirit world to retrieve secret information you can use to predict the future. We will continue with today's teaching on the science of prophecy. In the science of prophecy, I will expose to you the many methods used to see into the spirit world and reveal secrets that will unfold. To understand how to operate in the gift of prophecy, you must first comprehend that prophecy is the art of foretelling the future. Prophecy is the tangible results you receive by looking into the eyes of the universe. The universe is the multi-dimensional source of information that will provide you all the hidden secrets of mankind. Unlocking the secrets of the universe will tell you the story of the past, present, future events that will unfold in our lives and the hidden things we need to be aware of. Prophecy is the ability to see the things that are hidden from the five senses and open the eyes of the spirit body that resides inside you. You see, the essence of who you are is a spirit. Your spirit eyes can see all things. Your spirit body can sense energies around you. Your spirit mind is the main source of communicating with God, your angels, and the deceased spirits around you. Learning to tap into your spirit body is key to obtaining secret information that you will use to speak forth a prophecy. Warning, this teaching is not intended for the religious or the lighthearted or judgmental. This teaching is intended for serious seekers looking to prophesy and help bring direction and clarity to all seeking your guidance. This teaching is intended for open-minded seekers looking to prophesy and develop the gift inside. You see, prophecy and looking into the future comes by a combination of formulas that first must be learned to obtain secret information and increase your prophetic ability. As you speak forth of prophecy, you will have the tools needed to tap into the realm of the spirit and reveal secrets that will unfold. Now listen to a prophecy I gave to a client that revealed secret information about her life. Listen closely.
Is that I want to tell you several things. You're going through a season of you feeling lonely. Do you understand what the prophet is saying?
Yes.
And you're feeling lonely because you have several things that is unfolding in your life. The first thing that I want to make very clear is that you are